Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial on Trojan bot, which is one of the best and the fastest bots out there to trade the Solana based meme coins. So I have put my link down in the description, so you can use that link in order to join Trojan bot, and if you use that link you will get the 10% discount on the trading fees on Trojan bot for lifetime. So once you click on that link, you will be in your Telegram application where you are going to see this Trojan on Solana bot. Over here you need to press the start button, and after clicking on start you will be able to see all of the options that you can use on Trojan bot. As you can see that it has generated the Solana based address for you, which you can use in order to deposit some Solana into your account. So you just have to copy it from here by tapping on it, and then you just have to simply get some Solana into your Trojan bot. After that, it has given you some of the other bots as well, like Achilles, Paris, Hector, etc. So if you click on any of these, you will be redirected on the respective bot. So at a time, if the fund Trojan bot is not working, then you can try another and the another. Now we have all the options available, like buy, sell, position, limit orders as well, but I'm not going to give you the details on what these are. I am going to tell you how you can easily buy, how you can easily sell on it, and what should be the settings that you need to keep in mind while using the Trojan bot. So if you are excited, so let's get started. First of all, when you have some of the Solanas in your account, you just have to click on the buy button. After clicking on buy, it will ask you to enter a token symbol or the address that you want to buy. So you just have to simply get the address or the contract address of that particular coin that you want to purchase. I have the contract address of this particular coin, so I just simply paste it over here. After pasting it, as you can see that it has shown me some details regarding the coin that I have entered into it. The name of the coin was dog with no hat. It was the address of it, its current balance, its current price, market cap, etc. Everything is given and provided to me by it. Once you have all the information relating to the particular coin that you have entered, you need to choose any default amount provided on the screen, or you can even click on this X sol if you want to enter your own amount. So as you can see that in the presets I have 0.5 sol, 1 sol, 3 sol, etc. So what these actually are, so these are actually the presets that you can use in order to purchase this particular coin that you have entered. If you want to enter your own amount, then you simply need to tap on the X sol, and after that you just have to enter the amount. Next we have the option of slippage, so you just have to tap on slippage, and here the 15% will be selected, but you need to choose the default slippage to 10%, or you can even set it as custom. So in order to set it as custom, you need to press the X slippage option, and in the percentage you just have to type 10, and then you just have to type percentage. After that, as you can see that 10% is selected in the slippage. Now once all the parameters are set, you just have to simply click on the buy button, and after the transaction is settled, you will see a success message that will say that you have successfully purchased whichever coin that you have entered over here, or basically the buy success. So you can even view that transaction on the Sol scan as well. Now as you have purchased the coins, now is the time to sell your coins. So in order to sell it, you just have to simply tap on this menu bar and then press start again. Now you need to click on the sell button over here. So your token list will be displayed to you with a button for each token. So you need to click on the button that you want to sell basically. After that, you will be able to see the cells option. So it now loads the cell setting menu. So you need to choose a default percentage that you want to sell, or you can even set your custom percentage like it was in the buy. After clicking on the X percentage, you just have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to sell. Then you need to choose the default slippage, or you need to set a custom slippage by clicking on the X percentage button. Now once your parameters are set, you just have to simply click on the sell button. After clicking on sell, you will see a sell success message and also the PNL cards that you can share with anyone. Now if you tap on the menu bar again and tap on the start button, it will again redirect you on the menu section. Now we are going to learn the auto buy and the auto sell options. So you just have to tap on settings, and in the settings you will be able to see the auto buy option. So if you tap on auto buy, it will show you that the auto buy option is currently turned off. So you can access this setting by tapping on the auto buy option. So what this feature actually does, so this feature allows you to set a custom amount and the slippage to instantly buy whenever a token is pasted or forwarded to the bot. So in order to enable it, you just have to tap on the off button, and once it turns green, it simply means that you have successfully turned it on. Now we have the buy amount, which is 0.25 Sol available over here. So you just have to tap on it, and then it will ask you to enter the amount of Sol that you buy with on each auto buy. So I would recommend you to keep it low, because sometimes it can also purchase the coin which you don't actually want to buy. So let's say I'm going to enter 0.01 Sol over here. Now as you can see that in the buy amount I have my 0.01 Solana set. Now we have the slippage. So the global slippage to buy and sell with, including as stop loss and the take profit. So you just have to tap on slippage, and for the buying slippage I would recommend you to keep it between 15 to 20%, or you can keep it between 10 to 20% as well. So you just have to enter the amount in the form of percentage, and now it will take the slippage in the form of percentage. Next we have the minimum liquidity. So you can choose minimum liquidity and the maximum cap that acts like the filter when you are trying to auto buy any of the token. The supported format is 1000, 100k, 10 million and 1 billion, etc. So you just have to select the minimum liquidity from here. So if I tap on minimum liquidity, it is showing you that you can add these types of entries. So let's say I set it as 1k. So I'm going to type it over here, and it has selected the minimum liquidity. Now we have the maximum cap. So you just have to simply tap on it, and after that you just have to enter it like this as it is given in the example. So let's say I enter to 40k. So this is just for examples. You just have to do the things as per your knowledge. Now we have the auto sell option. So you need to tap on auto sell, and once you click on auto sell, it will trigger the stop loss as well as the take profit triggers for each of your auto buys. So you just have to simply tap on the on button in order to turn it on. If you want to add orders into it, so you just have to tap on add order, and you can enter the amount, your take profit, and you can even set the slippage. So by default the slippage is 25%, so I would recommend you to keep it on 25%. Now as we are aware of the auto buy and the auto sell option, now we come to the main part of this video, that is the settings. So you just have to tap on the menu bar and press the start button. Now tap on the settings. Now these are some of the settings that you can play with. First of all, we have this default gas modes that and the ability to set the custom priority fees. So you just have to select it as turbo. If you are the advanced trader, then you can even use it the custom, but most of the people turbo would work very well. Now in the buy settings, you can customize your default buy amount buttons and your buy slippage. In the sell settings, you can customize your default sell percentages, your sell buttons and sell slippage that appear to the sell section. Next we have the option of MAV protection. So you can toggle the MAV protection for buys and sells separately. Next we have the option of the confirmed trades. We already learned about the auto buy and the auto sell option. We know that the auto buy can help you to buy the coins automatically, and auto sell goes with the same option. In the confirmed trades, if it is turned green, then you will need to click buy and sell to execute the trades. If it is disabled, then your trades get executed without the extra confirmation of clicking buy and sell. So it is up to you whether you want to turn it green or you want to turn it off. Next we have the PNL values. You can disable this to hide the dollar value from the PNL card. After that we have the chart previews. So the chart previews are for you to get the insight of the charts. Next we have the show and the hide tokens. So you can either view the list of all of the tokens, and you can even easily hide them. Next we have the wallets option. So if you tap on wallets, you will be able to see all of the wallets that you have in your Trojan bot. Now we have the bolt option. So you can turn it on and you can even turn it off for the faster swaps. So these are some of the settings that you can do in order to make your trades better on the Trojan bot. So that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.